Article 246 of the Indian Constitution outlines the distribution of legislative powers between Parliament and the state legislatures. It divides subjects into 3 lists, as enumerated in the 7th schedule: the Union list, the State list, and the Concurrent list. Here's a breakdown of each clause of Article 246. Clause 1. Parliament has exclusive power to make laws on matters listed in List I, Union list. This means that only Parliament, not state legislatures, can legislate on these subjects, which typically involve matters of national importance, such as defense, foreign affairs, and atomic energy. Clause 2. Both Parliament and state legislatures have the power to legislate on subjects in List 3, Concurrent list. However, in case of a conflict between a law made by Parliament and a law made by a state legislature on the same subject, the law made by Parliament prevails, as long as Parliament's law covers the entire matter. Clause 3. State legislatures have exclusive power to make laws on subjects in List 2, State list. This pertains to matters that are primarily of local or regional concern, such as police, public health, and agriculture. However, this is subject to the limitations placed by clauses 1 and 2, which give overriding powers to Parliament in certain cases. Clause 4. Parliament has the power to make laws even on subjects in the state list for any part of India's territory that is not included in a state, such as union territories. This gives Parliament the authority to legislate on matters that would ordinarily fall under state jurisdiction in such territories. Summary. Parliament has exclusive jurisdiction over the union list. Both Parliament and state legislatures can legislate on the concurrent list, but in case of conflict, Parliament's law prevails. State legislatures have exclusive jurisdiction over the state list, but Parliament retains the power to legislate in certain special cases, such as union territories or overriding state law for national reasons. The Constitution of India. Part 11. Relations between the Union and the States. Chapter 1. Legislative Relations. Distribution of legislative powers. Article 246. Subject matter of laws made by Parliament and by the legislatures of states. 1. Notwithstanding anything in clauses 2 and 3, Parliament has exclusive power to make laws with respect to any of the matters enumerated in List 1 in the 7th schedule, in this constitution referred to as the Union list. 2. Notwithstanding anything in Clause 3, Parliament, and, subject to Clause 1, the legislature of any state also, have power to make laws with respect to any of the matters enumerated in List 3 in the 7th schedule, in this constitution referred to as the Concurrent list. 3. Subject to Clauses 1 and 2, the legislature of any state has exclusive power to make laws for such state or any part thereof with respect to any of the matters enumerated in List 2 in the 7th schedule, in this constitution referred to as the State list. 4. Parliament has power to make laws with respect to any matter for any part of the territory of India not included in a state, notwithstanding that such matter is a matter enumerated in the state list.